Do you want to know how to make $10,000 as a student? Welcome to the journey of turning your academic pursuits into a gold mine. We'll be diving into a step-by-step guide, breaking down the process of identifying, marketing, and monetizing your skills. This isn't just about making money, it's about equipping you with the tools to thrive in a competitive world. So are you ready to transform your financial status while hitting the books? Stay tuned to discover the secret to earning big bucks while studying. As a student, you probably know the struggle of juggling academics and finances. It's like spinning plates while studying for a calculus exam. With tuition fees, books, and living expenses, your financial plate can get pretty heavy. Not to mention, the occasional desire to enjoy some social life or indulge in your favorite hobbies. And that's where the idea of earning extra income comes in. Having an additional source of income can be a real game changer. It can help alleviate financial stress, giving you breathing room to focus on your studies. Moreover, it can provide you with some much-needed practical experience. You'll learn about responsibility, time management, and financial literacy, skills that will serve you well beyond your student years. But the best part? The sense of accomplishment and independence that comes with earning your own money. Now imagine having an extra $10,000 in your pocket. Tempting, right? The first step towards making money is identifying your skills. Now that might sound straightforward, but it's often the step that stumps most people. You might be thinking, but I don't have any skills. Well, let's debunk that myth right here, right now. Everyone has skills. Yes, you heard it right, everyone. They might not be obvious, they might not be traditional, but they're there. And the key to unlocking your potential earnings lies in identifying what those skills are. So, how do you do that? Start by asking yourself some questions. What do you enjoy doing? What do people often ask you for help with? What do you lose track of time doing? Answers to these questions can reveal a lot about where your skills lie. Let's take some examples. If you love writing and often find yourself crafting stories or essays in your spare time, you might have a skill for creative writing. If you're the go-to person among your friends for tech problems, maybe you have a knack for coding. Or if you're always doodling on the margins of your notebooks, graphic design could be your forte. Now it's important to remember that having a skill doesn't mean you're an expert, and that's okay. Skills can be honed, improved, and refined. Like a piece of coal transforming into a diamond, it takes time and pressure. So, don't be disheartened if you're not a pro yet. Take advantage of resources available to you. There are countless online courses, tutorials, and guides that can help you improve your skills. Practice, practice, and practice some more. Remember, even the greatest authors didn't write a bestseller on their first try. And most importantly, don't limit yourself. You're not restricted to just one skill. You might be a whiz at coding and have a gift for graphic design. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you unlock. Remember, your skill is your most valuable asset. It's the key that can open the door to earning potential. So, take the time to identify, hone, and embrace your skills. They're worth more than you might think. Once you've identified your skills, the next step is to market them. Now this may sound like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple when you break it down. It's all about making yourself visible to the right people, in the right places, and at the right time. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of creating a professional online presence. In today's digital age, you can't afford to be invisible online. Your online presence is like your digital resume. It's the first thing potential employers or clients will look at. So ensure that your online profiles, whether it's on LinkedIn, a personal blog, or a portfolio website, reflect your skills and abilities. Include work samples, testimonials, and a clear list of your skills. Remember, it's not about showcasing everything you can do, but highlighting what you do best. Next, let's discuss how to reach potential clients or employers. It's not enough to just have a great online presence. You need to be proactive. Reach out to people in your industry, attend networking events both online and offline, join relevant groups and forums, participate in discussions, answer questions, offer valuable insights. This not only showcases your knowledge and expertise, but also helps you build connections. Another crucial aspect of marketing your skills is being able to communicate effectively. You need to be able to articulate what you do, how you do it, and why you're the best person for the job. This is where your elevator pitch comes in. An elevator pitch is a concise, clear, and engaging speech that you can deliver in the time it takes to ride an elevator. It's your chance to impress and engage someone in a short span of time, so make sure it's compelling and leaves a lasting impression. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for referrals. If you've done a good job for someone, there's a high chance they'll recommend you to others. So, don't shy away from asking for referrals. It's one of the most effective ways to get new clients or job offers. So, put yourself out there and let the world know what you can do. Now that you've marketed your skills, it's time to monetize them. This is an exciting step, as you're about to transform your abilities into a profitable venture. There are various platforms where you can earn money, and we'll explore some of them. Firstly, freelancing websites are a goldmine of opportunities. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer host a plethora of projects that require an array of skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or have any other skill set, there's a high chance you'll find a project that matches your expertise. Next, consider online tutoring platforms. If you excel in a particular subject or have a knack for teaching, platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Wizant can be a great place to monetize your knowledge. You can teach students across the globe, right from the comfort of your home. Now let's talk about pricing. This can be a bit tricky as you want to set competitive prices, but you also want to ensure you're adequately compensated for your time and effort. Research what others in your field are charging, and use that as a starting point. Remember, while you may want to start with lower rates to attract clients, don't undervalue your work. As you gain experience and positive reviews, don't hesitate to increase your rates. Finally, to ensure a steady flow of projects or jobs, you need to maintain a strong online presence and reputation. Always deliver quality work, meet your deadlines, and communicate effectively with your clients. This will lead to positive reviews and testimonials, which can then attract more clients. Remember, monetizing your skills is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and professionalism. But with time and effort, you can create a steady income stream that not only pays the bills, but also allows you to save and invest. So, start monetizing your skills and watch your bank account grow. This is more than just a way to make money. It's about building a sustainable and rewarding career around your talents and passions. Scene script, congratulations, you are now ready to make $10,000 as a student. We've journeyed together through the crucial steps that will help propel you towards that financial goal. It's been a thrilling ride, hasn't it? A journey of discovery, learning, and growth. Let's take a moment to recap what we've unraveled so far. Firstly, we expounded on the importance of identifying your skills. Remember, your abilities are your gold mine. They are the foundation of your potential income. Whether it's graphic design, writing, coding, or even tutoring, your skills are your ticket to financial independence. Embrace them, hone them, and let them shine. Next, we dived into the world of marketing. You've got the skills, now let the world know. Use online platforms, social media, and even word of mouth to advertise your abilities. Remember, the world is your oyster and the internet is your billboard. Don't shy away from promoting your work. After all, people can't buy what they don't know exists. Then we ventured into the realm of monetization. This is where the magic happens. This is where your skills and marketing efforts convert to actual dollars. We discussed various ways you can monetize your skills, from freelancing and online tutoring to creating digital products and offering consulting services. But here's the thing, these steps, while vital, are not a magic wand that will instantly fill your bank account with $10,000. They are tools, guides, and stepping stones that, combined with hard work, consistency, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, will get you there. The road might be steep and the journey might be long, but the destination is worth every ounce of effort. So what's next? Well, the ball is in your court. The steps are clear, the path is lit, and the destination is in sight. All that's left is for you to take that first step. Start today. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there is no such thing. The perfect time to start is always now. Believe in your abilities, believe in your dreams, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the skills, the knowledge, and the tools. Now it's time to put them to work. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Your journey towards financial independence starts today. Your journey to making $10,000 as a student starts with you. Now go out there, make money, and make your dreams come true. Until next time.